folks, and welcome to this week's Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. This week, we're going to look at a simple but handy thing to know inside of Google Sheets, and that's how to merge and unmerge your cells if you need to. So let's jump right in. You'll see right here, we've got our cells on a blank Google Sheet, and let's say that we are typing something in, and when we click away from it, it kind of makes it look a little bit messy or it goes over. And so we want to merge these cells so that it's considered one cell. So how do we do that? Well, let's say we want to merge these cells right here. We're going to highlight them, and then you're going to come right up here to these two arrows that are facing each other, and you're going to click on them. You'll see that these cells are merged. Now there's a few different options also. So if we want to merge this big group and we select our cells, we come over here to the drop down, you can see we have merge all, merge vertically, merge horizontally, and unmerge, which isn't available just yet. So let's go ahead and click on merge vertically, and you'll see that we created two cells. Now if we go back and we merge this horizontally, you'll see that we've merged them horizontally, but now we end up with 6 through 12 in separate cells. So if we go back and we select merge all, we're going to merge all of those cells together. Now let's say you merge some cells and you don't want to hit the back button, you want to unmerge them. We would go over to the cell that we merged, select it, and you can go ahead and click on unmerge, and we have all our cells back together. So that's it. That's how you merge and unmerge cells inside of Google Sheets. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We'll see you next week right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC.